What happened, Mario?
I lost the game.
Oh. I can't wait to light some fires.
Yeah, I can't wait to light some fireworks here too. But let me check the news first. Breaking news. Apparently now, fireworks are now legal. I don't know why, but they said someone got injured. Now they're trying to sue the entire firework industry. But this isn't a B movie, so hopefully we can get the situation cleared up. But for now, they're now all legal. So yeah, that's the news. Chill, Toad, chill. Fireworks are... It doesn't matter if fireworks are now illegal. We have to follow the law, you know.
I want a dog.
Why do you want a dog?
I want a dog.
You know what? You're not getting any dog. You're not getting any fireworks, okay?
I'm going to the park.
Okay, but why?
To do exercise.
Okay. See ya, Toad.
I'm gonna just do it for it.
Get out of here, Toad, now. Toad is so annoying. Hey, Toad.
What?
You want some illegal fireworks?
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold up. Before you think about stealing them, you gotta pay up.
Oh, okay. Before I steal them.
What?
I'm stealing this.
You stole it! Take that, Toad! I got my fireworks back! Yeah! Alright, so the Toad Trucker brought me here at the park. I wonder what Toad is doing at the middle of the... He's trying to buy fireworks legally. I can't let him do that. He'll be sent to jail and then he'll be crying for me. God damn it, he'll be crying for me for help and money so he can bail him out. But I won't let that happen. So I can't let him go to jail because I don't want to waste money on him. So I gotta stop him.
I can't believe they stole my fireworks. I'm just gonna play with these cockroaches. What is this animal?
Toad, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, were you trying to buy fireworks illegally?
No.
Are you sure? Because I'm pretty sure you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. I could smell the lights. Like, yeah, I could smell those lights. I could smell lights everywhere.
There's a cockroach.
It doesn't matter. You're coming with me back home. Yeah, you're coming with me back home. And I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna use my lie detector to see if you were lying or telling the truth.
I did stole it.
Yeah. Yeah, if the cops found out, then you would have been arrested, like, as fuck.
There's a cockroach.
Where's the cockroach? Oh my god, where's the cockroach? Oh my god, where's the cockroach? Okay, Toad. I'm trying to keep my cool down right now, because I'm now, having anxiety, but we should go home right now and turn on the news, okay?
Mario, I was watching TV, you know. Everyone watches the news.
Yeah, but there's no TV here, so let's go home and let's go home and watch the news.
I watched the TV, and they said
It doesn't matter.
Animal.
I don't care about any bad animal.
Right there.
I don't care about any... Exactly, that's why we shouldn't be near it. So let's go home and turn on the news and see if there's anything different.
My phone. Hey, Mario.
You just came back. How did you get a dog?
I found it.
It doesn't even... I'm not going to put sound effects for the dog, okay? So let's just watch the news and see if any convenience happens. Breaking news. Fireworks are now legal again. As it turns out, he cannot sue the entire firework industry, so yeah. He's just crying at his home right now. But anyway, fireworks are now legal again. So that's it with the news.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, shut up, Toad. If we light some fireworks right now, will you shut up? Okay, let's go light some fireworks.